case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for.
The International Snowmobile Manufacturers Association, ISMA, sued the National Park Service, NPS, following the latter's decision to ban snowmobile use in Yellowstone National Park. A United States District Court heard the case in 2004, ultimately deciding that the NPS violated the National Environmental Policy Act, NEPA, and the Administrative Procedure Act, APA, by failing to sufficiently explain the snowmobile ban and not allowing meaningful public participation. In light of this ruling, the court vacated and remanded the 2000 Final Environmental Impact Statement, Record of Decision, and 2001 Snowcoach Rule to the NPS. The lawsuit against the NPS began after the agency prohibited snowmobile use in the park without considering input from relevant parties or assessing the environmental impact of the decision. The case highlights the importance of public involvement and interagency cooperation in making decisions that affect the public. The preferred option emerging from the settlement agreement was Alternative G, which would have replaced snowmobiles with NPS-operated snowcoaches. However, the 2003 final rule permitted limited snowmobile access to the parks, subject to restrictions on emissions reduction and daily entries. The D.C. District Court remanded this rule along with the 2003 Supplemental EIS and ROD for further action. Despite finding violations of NEPA and APA, the court determined that the NPS did not break the Organic Act by allowing snowcoach-only transportation in the parks.
Case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for. Visit lsd.law, elevate your mind. Leave the stress of class.